the site survey was done to identify the suitable pond area to install the system. And from the survey, we found that a base need to make sure the stability of the system, and the base was designed and built with the help of farmers from the institute, which is Encik Lokman. And UTM team has demonstrated 2 smart aquaculture unit and 2 ponds has identified for the first installation. Infrastructure and network survey. Infrastructure and network survey are important to identify network coverage provider that have stable coverage at the area. Therefore, 3 internet providers were identified that are suitable for the network at the FRI area, which is Digi, Unify and U-Mobile. Since we have Unify router, Unify Wi-Fi has chosen, besides a building that provide power supply, to place the gateway and router was identified. The next one is system setup and testing at site. So the system was set up in Photonic Lab P19A UTM to perform field acceptance test, and then the field acceptance test was done in Ismat Urusan dan Berhad, while the site acceptance test was done at FRI Kelampata Johor. And the aim of testing is to test the functionality of the system before installation and perform system configuration by insert Wi-Fi address and password. And the testing, the parameter reading was recorded for the observation. And the installation phase start with 2 set of smart IQM was ready to install to the respective pond, which is shrimp pond and fish pond. And before the installation, the internet was checked and configured the reader of the system. And at this phase, Mr. Lokman and technical team from FRI helped to build the base and install the system at the pond. Installation, we did the data collection from the site study, how the system work, which is the first one is data collect from the lake, and then use internet provider to send the data to the cloud, and then display at a website and mobile application. Result obtained shows unstable data. Some of parameter not show any reading. We found that the distance between gateway, sensor node and Wi-Fi router is quite far, but still in range, since the system used XB Pro S3B with Digimesh that achieve maximum range about 900 meter. But there is some disturbance such as buildings and trees, therefore the data collected was unstable. During the installation, the distance between the node, gateway and Wi-Fi router was changed to 100 meter, where the gateway was placed at the same place as the Wi-Fi router. Therefore, the result obtained was stable, and we observed the data for 3 days. The system functioning well. And this is the sample data obtained after 24 hours of installation. And this is the table. Table 1 shows the daily average data for 3 days obtained from our smart aquaculture monitoring system. Data then compared to the data obtained from FRI measurement system, which is shown in table 2. So from the comparison, it is evident that the measured data from both systems are close to each other. Furthermore, the parameters value is close to the recommended value used for shrimp farming.